来不及，来不及，来不及。
There's not enough time. It's too late.
There's not enough time. It's too late.
今天我起晚了，来不及吃早饭就去上班了。今天我起晚了，来不及吃早饭就去上班了。今天我起晚了，来不及吃早饭就去上班了。
I got up late today and went to work before I had time to have breakfast.
I got up late today and went to work before I had time to have breakfast.
如果再不上车的话，就真的来不及了。如果再不上车的话，就真的来不及了。如果再不上车的话，就真的来不及了。
If you don't get in the car, it's really too late.
If you don't get in the car, it's really too late.
如果等到问题出现才去解决，恐怕来不及了。如果等到问题出现才去解决，恐怕来不及了。如果等到问题出现才去解决，恐怕来不及了。
If you wait until a problem arises to solve it, it may be too late.
If you wait until a problem arises to solve it, it may be too late.
反对，反对，反对。
Oppose. Against.
Oppose. Against.
家人都反对我抽烟。家人都反对我抽烟。家人都反对我抽烟。
My family is against my smoking.
My family is against my smoking.
他们都反对我的建议。他们都反对我的建议。他们都反对我的建议。
They all opposed my suggestion.
They all opposed my suggestion.
他的妻子反对移民国外。他的妻子反对移民国外。他的妻子反对移民国外。
His wife opposed emigration.
His wife opposed emigration.
大夫，大夫，大夫。
Doctor.
Doctor.
他爸爸是一位大夫。他爸爸是一位大夫。他爸爸是一位大夫。
His father is a doctor.
His father is a doctor.
李大夫的医术高明。李大夫的医术高明。李大夫的医术高明。
Dr. Lee's medical skills are superb.
Dr. Lee's medical skills are superb.
大夫帮病人治病。大夫帮病人治病。大夫帮病人治病。
Doctors treat patients.
Doctors treat patients.
植物，植物，植物。
Plant.
Plant.
多看看绿色植物对眼睛有好处。多看看绿色植物对眼睛有好处。多看看绿色植物对眼睛有好处。
Seeing more green plants is good for your eyes.
Seeing more green plants is good for your eyes.
家里摆放一些绿色植物，让室内空气更好。家里摆放一些绿色植物，让室内空气更好。家里摆放一些绿色植物，让室内空气更好。
Place some green plants at home to make the indoor air better.
Place some green plants at home to make the indoor air better.
植物通过光合作用改善空气质量。植物通过光合作用改善空气质量。植物通过光合作用改善空气质量。
Plants improve air quality through photosynthesis.
Plants improve air quality through photosynthesis.
研究，研究，研究。
Research.
Research.
他们正在进行市场研究以寻找商机。他们正在进行市场研究以寻找商机。他们正在进行市场研究以寻找商机。
They are conducting market research to look for business opportunities.
They are conducting market research to look for business opportunities.
他从事研究和开发工作。他从事研究和开发工作。他从事研究和开发工作。
He works in research and development.
He works in research and development.
研究证明，音乐对人的心情有很大的影响。研究证明，音乐对人的心情有很大的影响。研究证明，音乐对人的心情有很大的影响。
Research has proven that music has a great impact on people's mood.
Research has proven that music has a great impact on people's mood.
超过，超过，超过。
Exceed.
Exceed.
这是一家有名的饭店，历史已经超过50年了。这是一家有名的饭店，历史已经超过50年了。这是一家有名的饭店，历史已经超过50年了。
This is a famous restaurant with a history of more than 50 years.
This is a famous restaurant with a history of more than 50 years.
我奶奶已经超过80岁了。我奶奶已经超过80岁了。我奶奶已经超过80岁了。
My grandma is over 80 years old.
My grandma is over 80 years old.
价格不会超过200元。价格不会超过200元。价格不会超过200元。
The price will not exceed 200 yuan.
The price will not exceed 200 yuan.
散步，散步，散步。
Take a walk.
Take a walk.
咱们去公园散散步吧。咱们去公园散散步吧。咱们去公园散散步吧。
Let's go for a walk in the park.
Let's go for a walk in the park.
遇到烦恼事时，约朋友出去散散步，聊聊天，心情就会好起来。遇到烦恼事时，约朋友出去散散步，聊聊天，心情就会好起来。遇到烦恼事时，约朋友出去散散步，聊聊天，心情就会好起来。
When you encounter troubles, ask your friends to go out for a walk and chat, and your mood will feel better.
When you encounter troubles, ask your friends to go out for a walk and chat, and your mood will feel better.
散步可以促进血液循环并降低胆固醇水平。散步可以促进血液循环并降低胆固醇水平。散步可以促进血液循环并降低胆固醇水平。
Walking improves blood circulation and lowers cholesterol levels.
Walking improves blood circulation and lowers cholesterol levels.
谢谢观看。